Okay, we're getting set up here to undercut this fireplace. The goal here is to make the fireplace look like it's been installed on top of the floor without any molding. So no quarter round or end cap around this fireplace. When we're done, if done correctly, this floor will slide right underneath this fireplace. The way we're gonna do that is with this undercut saw with a masonry blade set at the height of the finished flooring. We'll undercut all the way around the fireplace. When we're doing that, that can be a very dusty process. It's also loud. So we've got this undercut saw hooked up to a really good quality shop vac, HEPA. We have an air scrubber that'll be running while we're doing it. And we've got a backup vacuum to catch any residual dust. Okay, so we've got the undercutting done. Starting to install the floor up underneath the fireplace, and you can see there that now it looks nice,
all over the second block
and clean. No molding.